everyone, welcome back to another unboxing. This time I wanted to review the Valentino nail system. This system is something that I've been wanting to try. They are a bit pricey, but I will say that you do get a lot of bang for your buck as far as quality goes. So with this unboxing that I have here, this was a special that they had where you could buy 2 gel polish top coats and then you get the Super Bond primer free. I wanted to try their Bad and Boujee. I heard so many nice things about this particular color, and honestly, it is absolutely beautiful. I've also heard that their monomer is very low odor, so I figured let me order some and see how this works. You can't really see, the camera does this no justice, but this is absolutely gorgeous. It has it's got tiny bit of shimmer in it, but I have to say, my top 3 favorite acrylics are Valentino, Not Polish, and Cara Sky. That's it right now. So here you see the 2 top coats that come with your purchase. They seem like really good quality, and you can never have enough top coat. So this next unboxing that I'm about to show is their latest drop. It is their collaboration with Allison Nicole Nail Company. Is their intention, or her intention and intuition collection. I also got myself a couple files. I believe they're the 180, 100 grit. But how stinking cute is this packaging? So I love the fact that she included these little, they look like tarot cards or whatever, but it's just so stinking cute. I love that. Like, I love little things like that. They're included in packaging, stickers and things like that. So these are, a lot of their collections are beautiful. Again, it's a little on the pricey side. I think this was like $66, but you get, look at the stickers. It says good vibes only, and then the hand with the nail brush, just really, really cute. I love the stickers, but the colors are gorgeous. The consistency of the formula of the acrylic itself and the monomer, for some reason, it's hard to pick up a bad bead, if that makes sense. Their system is developed to self-level, and it really does create a flawless finish. And I have worked with quite a few acrylics. Some are powdery, some are chalky, and they're manageable, but yeah, this one is top-notch. So let's get right into the swatches. This color is 232 Scorpio Moon. It is a deep purple. Next, we have number 233, Self-Love. This is like a stunning mauve pink. I really love that one. I cannot wait to do a set. This gorgeous blue is number 237, Lapis Lazuli, I believe is how you say it. And then the green is 234, Abundance. And then this gorgeous yellow is 235, Affirmations. Just stunning colors. I love this whole color scheme. It fits the name. It's so, so pretty. And last but not least is 236, Pisces Dream. Kind of like a brownish beige. So that is the Intention and Intuition collection. And then here is Bad and Boujee. Such a gorgeous nude pink undertone, pink and peach. Really love this. I'm sorry guys, I'm still sick, but I'm chugging along here. So I swatched my Bad and Boujee, and then this is a collection I got back in April, and I wanted to share this with you guys as well. So this color is called Madagascar Vanilla Bean, and it's stunning. It's just gorgeous. I love that blue. Sorry, it's kind of cut out of the frame there. This gray is called Angelic. The pink is called Aroused. Kind of reminds me of the other pink that I just swatched. And then this peachy color is called Love Triangle. And this pretty green is just 199. There's no name for this one that I could see, but I still love it. So that is my collection. The first one that I had bought, and those were bought separately. as well as the Intention Intuition Collection collab with Alice and Nicole Nails. So if you haven't tried Valentino, I highly recommend it. It depends on your budget, of course, because it is on the pricier side, but you do get a lot of quality with this product. I also wanted to thank everyone for your well wishes with me being sick. I have really been struggling. It's really been a rough road, but I'm also really happy that I have reached 500 subscribers, and I'm going to be having a giveaway. So